Hi, hello, welcome to Math Medium. Today we are going to discuss about the another topic that is from cubes and cube roots 8th class NCERT. That is some interesting patterns in cubes. So let's start here. Adding consecutive odd numbers. Second one is cubes and their prime factors. So let's start with one. Adding consecutive odd numbers. Before going into that, we know that cube is nothing but, for example, a cube. So this is the cube, right? So how we are going to get a cube? By adding consecutive odd numbers. In our whole numbers, how we are getting a cube? By adding the consecutive odd numbers. So let's take a look on that. If you take odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, etc. Right? If you take, it is 1 into 1 into 1. It is said to be 1 cube. So how many numbers we are added? 1 number. If you take another one, if you add these two, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is said to be 8. It means how it could be 2 cube. It means 2 into 2 into 2. Right? If you take these three numbers, 7 plus 9 plus 11. Here 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. Here in this 1, 2, 3 numbers we are adding odd numbers. So it means it is 3 cube. So like 3 into 3 into 3. Here also we are adding 2 numbers. That's why here 2 cube. If you take here another these 4 numbers. 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Here we get 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it is a 4 cube. Obviously like 4 into 4 into 4. That is equal to 64. Let's check here. 13 plus 17 is gets, these two gets 30. Here these two gets 34. It means 30 plus 34, here we get 64, right? If you take apart from this, like after 19 we have 21, 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. It means it is 5 cube. Obviously it is as 5 into 5 into 5. It is 125. Let's check here. 21 plus 23, here we get 44. 25 plus 27 we get 52. Here 29. See, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 125. Here also 125. It is also correct for the given number. So here we can find any cube number by adding consecutive odd numbers. In this one we have to remember one thing, that is how many odd numbers we are adding that is equal to the that much of cube number. So here we are adding 2 odd numbers consecutively, so it gets 2 cube. Here we are adding 3 numbers, here get 3 cube. Similarly we are adding 5 numbers, it gets 5 cube. If in case we are adding 6 consecutive odd numbers, then we will get this 6 cube. And answer is 216. So that is the topic about the adding consecutive odd numbers. Next, coming to here, cubes and their prime factors. So we know that prime factor. So a number is factorized by prime numbers only. So it, for example, if you take 4, how it could be 2 2s are. So it is 2 into 2, but it comes as 2 square. But in this case, we are discussing about the cubes. So how we are going to take prime factor for cubes? It means in this square, we are multiplying with the 2 itself by 2 times, right? Here we are going to take 3 times that number is multiplied by itself. So if you take similarly 4 cube, how it would be? 4 into 4 into 4, that is equal to 64. Now make a prime factorization for this. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Here again by 2, 2 8s are. Again by 2, 2 4s are. Again finally by 2, 2 2s are. Now multiply it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you make here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It means 2 cube into 2 cube. Right? If you take a power m into a power n formula, a power m plus n. This is another formula to find that, but here up to 2 power 3 into 2 power 3, it is enough to make a prime factors for cubes. See, the powers having cubes. So this is the prime factorization of a cube numbers. If you take another number, for example 6, how it would be as prime factors? 6, 2 3s are. So it is called 2 into 3. But in case 6 cube, it means 6 into 6 into 6. It gets 6 6 is 36 into 6. It's 216. Now, for 216, we have to make a prime factors for cubes. So, write 216 here, make a prime factorization. 2 1s are 2, make a 0, 2 8s are. Again by 2, 2 5s are, and 2 4s are. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 14, 2 7s are. Here 3, 3 3s, 3 9s are 27. Finally 3 3s are. See, if you make 216 is equal to here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So how we can write it as 2 power cube into 3 power cube. So this is the representation of a prime factors of a cube number. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.